RV is a unique world. It can be challenging to limit your search to the top RV brands, when there are so many motorhome manufacturers to pick from. In order to determine which camper manufacturers provide recreational vehicle enthusiasts with the best overall value in terms of quality, cost, and service. Here is a list of the top RV brands that was compiled after significant study. What is notable? Long-standing RV brand with classic styling. Excellent for design enthusiasts seeking premium trailers. The best term to describe the timeless mid-century style of the Airstream is undoubtedly iconic. RV travel and exploring the American outdoors are synonymous with the business's shiny, bullet-shaped travel trailers. The towables are made of polished aluminium and available in various sizes. However, the brand doesn't rely solely on its standing. In general, Airstream trailers are more solidly constructed than many of the company's rivals. But there is a cost associated with that excellence. Buyers of Airstreams will see that the models are frequently priced at the very top of their categories. However, the sturdy construction of well-known models, like the Flying Cloud, and classic trailers, as well as the company's tradition of producing campers since the 1930s, serve as major selling points. Additionally, there are Airstream choices available for budget vacationers. Base camp trailers from the company start at $46,000 for the 2023 model year. What is notable? Opulence in every aspect. Excellent for travelers who desire a high-end living environment. Numa only caters to the premium end of the RV market, in contrast to the other RV manufacturers mentioned here. Numa RVs would be an excellent option for travelers who desire the same high-end features and comfort they have at home. For individuals with champagne tastes and sizable budgets, the cost of a Numa RV can surpass $1.5 million. The Baystar Sport, the company's entry-level Class RV, has a starting price of $175,840. The King Air may be of interest to anyone seeking a genuine luxury travel experience. The King Air starts at $1,528,208 and includes features like tiled floors, smart appliances, and a bay window. What is notable? Strong reputation for quality assurance and post-purchase support. Excellent for those that demand the highest caliber and are willing to spend more for it. The business sells travel trailers, fifth wheels, and toy haulers. Veteran RV fans frequently choose campers from the Imagine and Reflection series. It is a fantastic choice for first-time RV buyers, because it has the same caliber of construction and design. Grand Design, which was constructed in Middlebury, Indiana, is renowned for its focus on quality. A separate crew inspects more than 300 items after the plant inspection as part of the company's stringent quality assurance process. As a result, compared to owners of other models, Grand Design RV customers typically experience fewer issues with their RVs. What is notable? Family-owned business with top-notch building and rigorous prototype testing. Excellent for Class A, Class B, or Class C motorhome buyers looking for luxury. Another producer of luxurious motorhomes is Tiffin. The firm only specializes on Class A, B, and C motorhomes. It does not produce fifth-wheel or travel trailers. The company more than makes up for any selection gaps with its quality control. To guarantee that every chassis functions according to specification, the business employs a thorough quality control system. The cooling system, engine, and instrumentation are subjected to thorough inspections by Tiffin's quality team. The business also tests its vehicles on a track. That's comforting when you're spending the same amount as you would on a Tiffin RV. The luxurious amenities that you would anticipate from an RV at this price point are included with Tiffin models. One of the most well-liked Class A RVs available, the Phaeton has features like a central vacuum and hand-built cabinets. What is notable? Sturdy construction and a direct-to-customer business approach. Excellent for those who enjoy conducting long study, or are seeking for a trailer that is particularly sturdy. Oliver Travel Trailers established itself as a leader in the RV industry, thanks to its distinctive fiberglass fabrication process. Oliver Trailers, sometimes known as Ollies, feature a more aerodynamic and aesthetically beautiful shape than the typical boxy shape most manufacturers utilize. There are fewer models and floor plans available from the Ho-Wild, Tennessee-based company than from some of the other manufacturers on our list. The Legacy Elite, and the Legacy Elite 2, with the latter offering a longer and broader floor plan than the first, are the only two models Oliver focuses on. The business model used by Oliver is another distinctive feature. Oliver doesn't sell its campers through dealerships, in contrast to the majority of manufacturers. The business sells directly to clients instead. The company can set you up with an Oliver owner, if you're interested in seeing a travel trailer in person before you buy. As a result, you may probably expect more direct responses to your inquiries from a salesman. Additionally, you can schedule a visit to the Tennessee factory. What is notable? Numerous campers, and an excellent reputation in the RV sector. Great for those seeking a reputable brand, with a wide range of models and floor plans. As a brand so well known, that it is occasionally used interchangeably with the name of the actual product, Winnebago is such a household name in RVs, that it has almost achieved the status of generic trademark. The company has been producing trailers and camper vans since 1958, which contributes to this. One of the most well-known brands in the sector is still Winnebago. Models like the View, Mini, Micro Mini, and Hike are common in open spaces and RV parks around the nation. The company also produces goods in the following categories: fifth-wheel campers, travel trailers, Class A RVs, Class B RVs, and Class C RVs, in addition to these well-known models. Even within those groups, there are variations. The RV industry could definitely use more accessibility-enhanced models, like the ones the company offers for some of its Class A and Class B RVs.